In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a photo in Facebook Messenger. By the end, you will be able to share any picture straight from your phone into a conversation. First, open the Messenger app. Look for the familiar Messenger icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you tap it, the app will launch and you will see your list of recent conversations. If you are asked to sign in, use your Facebook account details, then Messenger will load your chats. Once Messenger is open the chat with the person. Find their name in the list of conversations and tap it one time. The chat screen will appear, showing your previous messages in bubbles, with the most recent ones near the bottom. At the bottom of this screen, you will see the text message box and several small icons around it. Now tap the gallery or photo icon beside the message box. This icon usually looks like a small picture or a couple of mountains. It sits right next to or just above the area where you would normally type a message. When you tap it, Messenger opens a view of your phone gallery so you can see the photos stored on your device. Next, select the photo you want to send. You will see small thumbnail versions of your pictures, often sorted by date or by album. Tap once on the picture you want, and it will become highlighted or open in a larger preview above the keyboard. In most versions of the app, you can tap more than one photo if you want to send several at the same time, and each selected image will show a small check mark. After that, add a message if you want. You will still see the message box underneath your selected photo or photos. Tap inside the box and type a short note, like a caption or an explanation. If you change your mind, you can erase the text and send only the image. The photo will remain selected even if you clear the message box. With everything ready, tap Send. The Send button usually looks like a blue paper airplane on the right side of the message box. When you tap it, your selected photo and any text you added will move into the chat history as a new message bubble. A small sending indicator may appear for a moment, then you will see the photo clearly in the conversation once it has been delivered. You just learned how to send a photo in Facebook Messenger from your phone gallery into a chat. If this helped you share your picture, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.